Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic for materials science and thin film enthusiasts: sputtering targets. Whether you're working with semiconductors, optical coatings, or other advanced applications, sputtering targets are at the heart of creating high-quality thin films. What are sputtering targets? Sputtering is a physical vapor deposition (PVD) method used to deposit thin films onto a substrate. It involves ejecting material from a target and depositing it layer by layer onto the surface. The precision of this process makes it crucial in various industries, from electronics to solar panels. General specifications of sputtering targets: purity 99.90 to 99.999% or more. Diameter 25 mm to 150 mm, 1 inch 6 inch, or customer demand. Target thickness 0.1 mm to 3 mm for metal targets, and 2 mm to 6 mm for other targets. CU back plate, recommended for oxide, nitride, and fragile targets. Pure metal sputtering targets. Alloy sputtering targets. Oxide sputtering targets. Other sputtering targets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into materials science and thin film technology. Contact us.